Hi everyone, and welcome to Business English Flash, B-Flash. I'm Mandy and thanks for joining me. Do you see a number like this and want to run away? Or have you ever been stuck on how to say a percentage or a decimal number during a presentation? We've all been there. Saying different types of numbers can get confusing. Can you say the number from 1 to 900? Of course you can, which also means you know how to say numbers in the billions. Today, we'll be looking at how to say currencies, big numbers, decimals and percentages. How do you say this number? If you said €5, then you're correct. The currency goes after the first whole number. How do you say the number? £598 is correct. Now, what if you have a decimal? For example, let's look at this number. If there is a decimal, you say the first whole number and then the currency, followed by the decimal pronounced as a whole number, and then the coinage if there is one. So you would say $43.25. Let's move on to big numbers. Don't be scared. Big numbers are divided into different sections, and each section is in bunches of 3. Let's look at this number. It's divided into 3 different sections: 789, 563, 416. The comma separating the sections is a value, so the first comma is million and the second comma is thousand. So how do you say this number? 789,563,416. Let's practice another number. This number has 2 sections, so 94,632. Let's look at a different format of big numbers, millions and billions. How would you pronounce this number? Yes, $15 million. And this one? Yes, $75 billion. As I mentioned earlier, say currency at the end. Now, what if you added a decimal to millions and billions? How would you say this amount? Yes, you would say $1.5 million and not 1.5 million. When reading decimals, you say point. Continuing with decimals, what's the difference between and? You say decimal numbers differently from currencies. For example, the first, as we said earlier, is $1.85. The second is 1.85. If it's not a currency, read the numbers after the decimal separately. What about this decimal number? If you said 2.95, you are correct. Now, let's take a look at percentages. We all know the percentage 100%. When saying percentages, you say the number and then percent. Can you say this percentage? Exactly, 25%. Now, what if you have a decimal in a percentage? You say the whole number before the decimal, the individual numbers after the decimal, and then percent. So how do you say this percentage? You say 13.63%. And there you have it. You've learned how to say currencies, big numbers, decimals and percentages. Now you're ready to present your figures at your next meeting. Also, check out our video describing trends, where you can learn more about presenting figures, graphs and charts. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you again soon, and bye for now.